Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CVS ExtraCare Health Rewards, benefits guide step by step clearly. To activate your CVS ExtraCare Health Rewards, start by visiting the official CVS website or mobile app. Log into your CVS account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the ExtraCare section. Look for the Health Rewards option within that section. Click on Activate Rewards to begin the activation process. You may be prompted to enter your ExtraCare card number or scan your card using the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your activation. After activation, you will earn rewards for qualifying health-related purchases. Make sure to check the list of eligible products to maximize your rewards. Remember, rewards may include discounts on future purchases or cashback. Keep track of your points by logging into your account regularly. To redeem your rewards, simply present your ExtraCare card during checkout. You can also redeem rewards through the CVS app by selecting them at checkout. Stay informed about special promotions and bonus rewards by checking your email or app notifications. Enjoy the benefits of your CVS ExtraCare Health Rewards program and prioritize your health savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.